Let us consider the sign conventions majorly for heat and work. See, when we consider heat, see, heat absorbed by the system or heat supplied to the system or heat rejected by the surroundings. So these are considered to be positive. Whereas if you take heat rejected by system or heat absorbed by surroundings or heat supplied to the surroundings, so these three are considered to be negative. See, suppose if you take a system like this and surroundings are here like this. See, if heat is going in this direction from the surroundings to the system, then it is taken to be positive. Suppose if heat is going in this direction from the system to the surroundings, it is taken as negative. So these sign conventions are very important because in problems sometimes they will be giving heat rejected by the surroundings, then we need to consider the sign convention to be positive. So this terminology plays a very important role when you are solving the numerical questions. Now coming to work. So when we consider work, see, work done by the system or work done on the surroundings, work done by the system or work done on the surroundings is considered to be positive, whereas work done on the system or work done by the surroundings, so this is considered as negative. So this terminology plays a very important role. Now let us take the system like this. Surroundings are here. See, if work goes in this direction, then we call it as positive, and in this particular direction it will be negative.